I'm not ready yet.
I'm not sure.
Sabi ko, hindi pa ako ready.
Di ba kumain?
Mamaya-maya na.
Tonight. Right?
Asan ang bisita mo pa?
Need you to marry?
Yeah, let them know. Oh, tonight? No, they was telling me this morning about if I want Mama Mary to come in the house. It's only Mama Mary. I could pray for her for like, is it a month?
Yeah,
for a month.
Yeah, for a month.
And I told her, I cannot promise you that I can do it for a month. I will not say that promise. But I will living of Fatima in the house.
That's my favorite. Is that the, are you talking about when the Fatima comes to your house and visits for a month?
Yes, for a month.
Yeah,
That's
we
what
have
she
that
wants
one.
me to do.
Yeah.
But
It's hard to, yeah.
Yeah, I have to jump. That's what I said. Until by the time I get home, I'm so tired. I'm actually praying and then I fall asleep. That's what I said. But I cannot know, Vicky. I will pray by myself. I said I will pray by myself, but I still think.
Is it coming from Fatima
Ah,
now?
ba
Or is it
bisita
over here?
mo?
Or does it just stay here?
And I said, no, I cannot promise you.
By the way,
Think about it. But Gemma is the one who's gonna get it, I guess. It will go to Gemma's house. Because Gemma's birthday is on the 31st.
Punta daw sa playground.
So,
Sabay ako sa inyo.
punta lang kami dun sa Kasi usually, if we're gonna bring Mama Mary to your house, they're gonna do something like this. Yeah. All the time.
Oh, tapos dito. Asan sila?
No, every time they're gonna Mama Mary will go to
Oh,
somebody's house.
After a month, then go to another house.
Another lang sister. Yes. So it's gonna be like this all the time. You're gonna go to Mama's house. But after that, no.
May kanin doon, no? Kanin na ganyan.
Ay, bakit yun ang kinuha niya? But I told her I cannot remember that. For Mama.
It's hard when you're working.
I know.
Yeah.
It's not that I don't like it, but I have
Oh, right,
no problem. I cannot. Yeah.
I'm like, oh no.
Ayun, may siyo pa.
Every time. No.
Yeah, that's why I don't.
What?
That's why.
No.
That's why I fall asleep. No. When you, I said, no.